In this video, we will show you how to log into your SafeTouch account and dashboard. Start by opening a browser such as Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, or Chrome, and type www.safetouch.com in the address bar, and then press Enter. Once you're on the SafeTouch homepage, locate the Login button at the upper right-hand corner of the page. It'll be next to the magnifying glass. Click on Login to proceed to the Secure Login page. Once you're on the Login page, enter your username and password for your SafeTouch account. This username and password should have been set up at the time of your installation and provided to you by your technician. Once you've entered your username and password, you will be taken to the dashboard of your SafeTouch system, where you can customize and set up your security system to fit your needs and wants. As mentioned earlier, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate logging into your SafeTouch dashboard. We will have other videos that will go more in depth into the settings and notifications of your system. Please hang around and watch any of the videos that may help you get more familiar with your system. Thanks for watching, and remember, test your system monthly. For more information on home security and home automation, visit us on the web at www.safetouch.com.